Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to make Instagram dark mode. You can get the dark mode from the app settings. And once you activate the dark mode, you're going to move directly to the dark mode. So to figure it out, let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application, and to get the dark mode on Instagram, move to your personal profile by tap on this icon. Then tap on the hamburger icon up here and choose Settings. And from Setting list, choose the last option or Theme. Now the theme of the app is set to light by default, and to change it to dark mode, simply choose dark. And like that, all the app become dark. And if you want to reactivate light mode, simply select light. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.